Morning, dear Casey. My name is Leo, and I want to show you how it works with this spring compressor, hydraulic spring compressor. We have this very long way for work. So this is the compressor, and at first you have to close the valve. Now it's closed, and then you see I can pump this way, and it goes inside for each pump. You see closing more and more, and if I work a little bit harder, then it will be pumped to the end of this valve, to the position of zero. You see, you have to pump a few times, and then it's at the end. Okay, now it's the end position of it. You see it here. And now I open the valve, this valve, and then you can see it go back automatically. Open the valve, and now it open, I think, with the spring to the maximal open position. That's all. Thank you. Bye.